Hello students, today I am here to present grade 9 mathematics number system part 4. Today we will be learning about classification of rational and irrational numbers and operations on irrational numbers. Number system. Now question is, classify as rational or irrational. First part, 2 minus root 5. It is an irrational number because it includes root 5. We know very clearly that root 5 is an irrational number. So when an irrational number is added to a rational number, the answer is irrational number. Again here 1 upon root 2. Since this part is irrational, so the whole part becomes irrational. Next, root 16. Notice that root 16 can be written as 4. Therefore, it is a rational number. 2 root 7 upon 7 root 7. Here root 7 and root 7 will get cancelled and I am left here with 2 upon 7, which is a rational number. Now remember few laws on operations of irrational numbers. Root m into root m is equal to m. Why? Because root sign means the power is half. So root m into root m means that m raised to the power half into m raised to the power half, which will be equal to m raised to the power half plus half, which is m raised to the power 1. Hence root m into root m is equal to m. Example, root 2 into root 2 can be written as 2. The clarification is root 2 into root 2 is 2 raised to the power half into 2 raised to the power half, which gives me 2 raised to the power half plus half, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 1. Next, root of m into root of m is equal to root of m into n. Here I have applied the law of exponent, which was taken like this, that x raised to the power m into y raised to the power m was equal to x into y raised to the power m, that the power could be taken as common if the bases were different. So here the power is half, so that is taken as half here. Similarly, root 3 into root 2 will be equal to root 6. Third, root m plus root n whole square. This is nothing but a plus b whole square. So I can apply my identity here. Square of the first term plus square of the second term plus this root m into root n and this root n into root m, right? That is square of this plus 2 times the product of these two. So that will be equal to m plus 2 times root of mn plus n. Next, root m minus n whole square, a minus b whole square, so square of the first term plus square of the second term minus 2 times the product of the first and second term. So this gives me m minus 2 root mn plus n. Fifth, root m plus root n into root m minus root n. This is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, which will be a square minus b square. That is equal to m minus n. Sixth, square root of m upon n will be equal to square root of m upon square root of n. The power gets distributed over the numerator and the denominator. Now let us consider some examples which will tell me the applications of these laws. 5 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 5. 5 times 2 plus root 5 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 5. This gives me 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 3 plus root 5 into 3. Root can be taken common. 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 3 plus root of 15. Here I notice that these all are unlike terms. Remember, when I have root signs here, these are irrational numbers. the like terms will be those where the irrational part is same. So here it is not same, so all of them are unlike terms, so no further operation or addition will take place here. Next, addition. How addition is done for like and unlike terms. Let's have a glance. Root 5 plus 2 root 5. Here I notice that these two are like terms because the irrational part is same. So this will give, this is 1 root 5 and this is 2 root 5. So total we have 3 root 5. Next, minus 3 root 2 plus 7 root 2. Again these are like terms, so subtraction can take place. So I have here 4 root 2. Third part, minus 5 root 2 plus 3 root 3 minus root 2 minus 5 root 3. Here I notice that these two terms, minus 5 root 2 and minus root 2 are like terms. So this will give me minus 6 root 2. And 3 root 3 minus 5 root 3 will give me minus 2 root 3. Next question. 7 root 3 minus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 5. So here I notice that the terms containing root 3, they are like terms. So 7 plus 2 is 9. And here minus 5 and 3. This will give me minus 2 root 5 because these two were like terms. Next, simplify. Root 3 plus root 5 whole square. This will be square of the first term plus square of the second term plus 2 times into first term into second term. So square of this is going to give me 3. Square of this is going to give me 5. And this will become 2 into root of 15. Which is equal to 8 plus 2 root 15. I cannot add 8 to this because these two are unlike terms. Next question. Root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. A minus B into A plus B. So my identity will work here. So A square minus B square. Root 11 square minus root 7 square. This is equal to 11 minus 7, which is equal to 4. Next part. 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2 into 2 root 3 plus 5 root 2. Again I notice A minus B into A plus B. So I should have A square minus B square. So 2 root 3 whole square minus 5 root 2 whole square. So this is equal to 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. So here also you have to notice that the rational part will be multiplied with rational and irrational will be multiplied with irrational here. So here, because these are root signs, square root signs, so this can be combined. So I have 4 square root of 3 whole square. Square root of 3 whole square will be 3. So 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Similarly here, minus 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. This will give me 25 into root 2 whole square. That is 25 into 2, which is minus 50. So 12 minus 50 is minus 38. Thank you.